Ever struggled with handling thick, heavy metal coils? Or wasted floor space on 3 separate machines for decoiling, straightening, and feeding? Let us introduce the game changer for heavy-duty coil processing, the Dongguan Jieda LMC5-1500 3-in-1 Decoiler Straightener Feeder. This isn't just a standard 3-in-1 unit. The H stands for heavy duty. It's built to tackle large diameter, thick gauge metal coils. Think stainless steel, high-tensile steel, or aluminum that smaller machines can't handle. No more juggling standalone decoilers, straighteners, or feeders. This all-in-one system streamlines your entire coil handling workflow. Precision matters too. The LMC5-1500 uses advanced straightening rollers to eliminate coil memory, so your metal sheets come out flat, consistent, and ready for stamping, punching, or forming. That means less material waste, fewer reworks, and smoother production runs. And when it comes to feeding, it delivers pinpoint accuracy, matching your production speed while keeping material tension stable. Whether you're running high-volume orders or complex parts, this machine keeps up no slowdowns, no errors. We designed it for real factory life too. The user-friendly control panel lets your team set parameters quickly, and the rugged build means minimal downtime for maintenance. Plus, it's compact, saving you valuable floor space compared to 3 separate machines.